Okay, before I came here, I was came up this way. My wife is from this area, so we moved back. Started with St. V's. Oh, I was there for about 15 years. I did their maintenance, and I also did a little bit of their security side or their law enforcement side, because I do have law enforcement background. But I did maintenance for them for 15 years. When I left, I was over the power plant and the mechanicals. I was also over all the fire safety and fire programs at 86th Street down there in Indianapolis. Mike Keevan reached out to me and says, "Hey Brian, we have an opening and we really want to grow the maintenance department in a different area. Can I give you, or can I give your number to David Wildman?" And David Wildman called me. It was funny. Can I tell a story? Okay. One of the things that was kind of funny is when David called me, we were dealing with a electrical fire on the 5th floor, and I was outside dealing with some things, and he goes, "Do you need to go?" I said, "Oh no, my crew's got it, we're good." And we just had a good conversation. I've been here now with Aspire for 5 years, and been loving it, doing it. What I do, basically my title is manager over maintenance. A lot of people only see the outpatients is what they have, and there's actually outpatients, group homes, co-ops, the recovery program, which is Mockingbird Hill and Progress House, and then we also have rental properties and independent apartment complexes, and we have individual houses in Anderson, about 18 houses in Anderson that we use for low income and homeless, and so we stay pretty busy. Overall, all of the properties or all the buildings that we have is about 54. The other thing that I have to do a lot of is the life safety. One of the other hats that I wear is life safety. We have Alex that's in safety, but I'm over life safety, which is your fire panels, your suppression systems, your stuff of that nature to keep the building safe or people safe. And I oversee all of those, and we have to do monthly checks, monthly walkthroughs, make sure things are always done. I know some people get nervous when I walk through. I've had front staff, they'll send an email and say, "Brian's in the building, hide your stuff." And but we have a good time, and most of the staff is brand new. I don't even know them anymore. I walked in a building the other day and they stopped me, which they did their job. They stopped me and said, "Who are you?" And I deliberately put my card in my pocket so that they stopped me and questioned, because again, life safety, I want them to ask me, "Hey, where's your badge? Are you allowed to be in this area?" And they actually did it the other day. Someone stopped me and said, "Hey," and they did what they were supposed to do.